Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be kind of a quiet video. I'm not going to talk too much. I got quite a few units in here I need to get out of here and done and on the road back to the customers. So I'm just going to kind of go through this unit real quick. Well, as quick as I can, not super fast, but do what I need to do to get it going. But that's our information, fencerfixer.com. It's a website. We work on all brands and ages of these electric fence boxes. We also work on livestock and cattle, weigh scales, and stuff for mostly Gallagher's and True Test, but we're working about any of those things, and EID readers for Gallagher's. If you know somebody's got one of those not working right, or breaks or whatever, tell them about us. We're happy to help them out, work on them. All right, well, let's get in this thing. The note on it says, well, I know what's wrong with this one right off the bat. Replace fuses, plugged it in, blows fuses. Just quit after lightning storm, so probably got a power surge through it. So let's, something loose in it. Let's pull this thing apart here and see what's going on. Oh, that one doesn't spin. That one doesn't spin. It spins, but the case is broken. I'll show you what I mean. All right. See the little mounts here? It's supposed to be this long, these mounts here, but look in the corner, they're busted and broken. They're stuck right here. So I don't know if it broke in shipping or just old plastic. Let's see how old this thing is. It is a 2012 model. 05 is the month, 12 is the year. So what, May? Yeah, May of 2012 is when it was manufactured. Okay, we have both fuses are blown. Ooh. Yep. Well, that board's shot. A bunch of burnt crap right down inside there. Yep. I need a new board. Alright, well, we'll test things out and then we'll get in this board swap thing on this one. Alright, that's good. Ooh. Alright, let's see. I need this. Yeah, test this transformer. Ooh, transformer's blown too. Look at that. Yep. Still need the bore and a transformer. Look at that. Some cracks in it. When you flip it around, it's all burnt up. Yeah, I need a board and transformer. Well, let's see what I've got here to stock. Let me give me a minute here to see if I got any parts here to fix it. Transformers aren't common to go bad, but lightning hits something, you never know what the heck it's going to do. Alright, transformer, circuit board. Alright, well, here we go. Alright, let's plug it in. It's clicking. Lights flashing. Fix something. Let me I need a piece of wire. Give me a second. Oh, here we go. This will work. Not quite done. Oh, come on. Get off there. Okay, this will work. Alright, I got a jumper spot here real quick. I forgot about on this board. First, I'm going to solder up, put some solder on these leads or spots right here. And I'll put some solder right here. Okay. Now, put some solder on these wires. Alright. Hopefully just blend the two together if it cooperates. Alright. dang, pain in the ass. Alright, let's get this board back down its little slot there. Alright, we gotta take, it's because they're broken, I grab these, hold that little plastic stem, because that little stand broke. We'll put some like Gorilla tape or whatever, some kind of tape on the top there at the seam, so that way it doesn't come apart at the top, but plastic broke on it. I don't have another front case to put on there, so make sure the little light is more centered in there. That's good. We'll plug it in one more time. And we're still getting 6,000–7,000 volts over there. Alright, screws back in. Turn my clutch down a little bit. So I don't want to break the bottom too, if I can help it. Alright, I'll take this tape here. Pretty nice stuff. I can't remember where the hell I got it from. Online somewhere. It's made by GallagherPower.com. It's a kind of I don't know what kind of tape it is, but it's really good stuff. It's really pliable. It's not double-sided. It's not really duct tape. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's like plastic, but it's really pliable. So I like using it on stuff like this because you can really mush it in around these edges and stuff. So we're gonna put it around the corners here. Really press it into the stuff. And it's super sticky. And I'll put another little chunk of it. And it bonds the plastic really well. Okay, that'll keep it from coming apart at the top there. Well, this one's basically done. I mean, I don't know, nothing else we can do to it. Test everything else out. So if you got a fence charger that needs to be worked on, a Dare Enforcer DE2400 or any other of their models or brands, we're working all that stuff. So till next time, we'll see you later on. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you later on.